Hey guys, TechMan with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace or change the band on your Apple Watch with these bands that you have. Now, this is pretty simple and easy to do, but if it's your very first time, you want to make sure you watch this thoroughly. So first thing first is you'll get your Apple Watch. It might already have the bands installed. You install your very first time. So what happens is with the Apple Watch, especially these bands, there's going to be different types of band, but for the most part, this kind of band, the way to replace them, it's pretty simple. You'll see at the bottom on the back here, there's two of these little cutouts. That's a button actually that you can press down on and slide these bands off. So to do this, simply you're gonna hold and press this and then slide the band. So with one finger nail or tip, you can just simply press it down. While pressing it down, you want to slide this and then it pops out just like that. And then you repeat the step for the other side as well. Again, you just want to press down and then slide. Either way, it will slide. Doesn't matter which way you go. You can go up or down, sideways, doesn't matter, however it works. Now, the key to replacing this band is going to be the same thing. We can put it back in. One thing to note is, like, if you're going to be getting different bands, make sure it matches up the right size of the actual watch here. For example, this one is a 40 millimeter one, so 40 so you want to get the bands for the right compatible size. If you don't, it's going to stick out or look pop out, which still works, but it, for example, you'll see that it pops out a little bit more. So same thing goes again. You want to go ahead and slide. This time again, you see this slit over here, you just simply slide it in like this and it should just snap on and it's tight like that. Again, sometimes you might have to press this if it doesn't go in nicely. And the same thing goes again. You can go from the top or the bottom, doesn't matter. Just simply slide it gently till it's in place, locked, and there's no more movement. This one is backward, as you can see, so we'll move this one out. Again, go up this way. Basically, you want the back covers just like that on the back side here, and then the front, of course, to look like that. So it's the front cover like that, and that's how you replace or change the bands on an Apple Watch. Hopefully this quick little video help you guys replace the bands on your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.